Hey, what's happening? What's going on, everybody? My name is Matt, in case you don't know who I am. Welcome to this YouTube channel where we talk about day trading futures. This is the very first episode in our new free day trading course, which is just going to be hosted here on YouTube. The general idea is that we can take beginner level traders and turn them into advanced expert level profitable traders. In today's episode, we are going to be talking about what is day trading. So there are multiple ways to put your money into the market, right? One way is to invest it, which means an example would be like me buying Apple stock with the goal of holding on to it for months, years, even decades. But if I buy Apple and I sell Apple within that same day, I am a day trader. So that's what we're doing here on this channel. We're day trading. We're buying and selling multiple times in the same day with the goal of making money, right? All right, so when we talk about what the goal of day trading is, the entire goal of day trading is to buy low, sell high. So what we're doing is every day when we're making trades, we're actually putting essentially a bet on which way we think the market's gonna go. So if I think that the market's going to be going up, what I wanna do is I wanna buy low and sell high, right? That's how you make money when you're trading. So if I think the market's going down, I'm going to short it and then rebuy it back later so I can make money on the reversal move. Day trading is inherently risky because the market's going to do whatever the market wants to do. But our job as day traders is we want to be able to find as much information as we can about what's going on with the price. That's what we're going to be talking about later on in this course, is all of the different details that we can use so that when we buy, we have confidence that the market's going to follow. It's a very high level of what day trading is. And as we progress throughout this course, what we're going to be doing is diving more into the actual charts and the technical analysis, how we decide when to buy and when to sell so that we can make that money using a lot of different strategies. If that's something that interests you, make sure you subscribe so that you can come back and watch those videos. And go ahead and like this video if you're super pumped about the free trading course coming out. So I will see you in the next one. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.